Manufacturers are in a technology arms race, but they've built a Trojan horse into your engine. Consider this: a 2023 J.D. Power.
Initial quality study found that problems per 100 vehicles have surged by an unprecedented 12% in just 2 years.
With new technology being a primary cause. As a master technician who has torn down over 500 modern engines, I can tell you firsthand, the complexity is a minefield. We're talking about features marketed as advanced that are scientifically proven to cause catastrophic failure. The worst one is a silent assassin, a part designed to last a lifetime that can turn a $15,000 engine into a boat anchor without warning. Number 6. Plastic cooling system components. You pop the hood and everything looks pristine. No leaks, no cracks, no steam. But beneath the surface, a silent killer is at work. To save pennies on the dollar and shed a few pounds, manufacturers replaced durable metal parts with plastic in the most critical high-heat areas. We're talking thermostat housings, water pump impellers, and intake manifolds. Here's the thing.
Under hundreds of heat cycles blasting from freezing cold to over 220 degrees Fahrenheit, the polymer chains in that plastic become brittle. The material loses its molecular flexibility. One day it's a perfectly functional part. The next, it shatters like black glass.
This isn't a guess. It's a documented failure mode in countless technical service bulletins. A plastic thermostat housing might cost $500 to replace. But when a water pump impeller shatters, it sends shrapnel through your cooling system, clogging the radiator and heater core, turning into a $2,500 repair. If you miss the warning signs and the engine overheats, you're facing a $7,000 bill. For a warped cylinder head, I'll never forget the 2015 BMW X3 that came in on a tow truck from Phoenix, completely cooked. When we pulled the water pump, the plastic impeller was gone. It had disintegrated into a dozen sharp black fragments that we later found lodged deep inside the engine block's cooling passages, starving it of coolant until the head warped. Number 5. Auto start-stop systems. You pull up to a red light, and your engine smoothly shuts off. It feels smart, efficient, modern. Here's the thing. Automotive supplier Schaeffler estimates a normal engine might see 50,000 start cycles in its entire lifetime.
With start-stop, that number can multiply tenfold to 500,000. Each and every restart is a moment of extreme, microscopic violence. The crankshaft spins from 0 to hundreds of RPM before a stable film of oil can fully form. This is called boundary lubrication, a state where metal surfaces make direct grinding contact.
Trust me, the damage isn't a sudden snap. It's a slow-motion execution. The wear looks like a perfect mirror finish on engine bearings that should have a dull, cross-hatched sheen.
A sign that microscopic layers of metal have been wiped away, molecule by molecule. That's a death sentence for oil pressure.
A new starter is a few $100s. But when those bearings go, you're looking at a $3,000 bottom-end rebuild, or a $9,000 replacement engine when the metal shavings contaminate the entire oiling system. I saw it on a 2018 Chevy Traverse from Chicago with only 60,000 city miles. The owner complained of a faint ticking noise at idle. When we dropped the oil pan, the bearings looked like polished chrome, and the oil glittered like metallic paint. The start-stop system had simply erased them from existence. If you've ever felt a weird vibration or heard a strange new noise from your engine and just hoped it would go away, hit that like button, because that's often the only warning you'll get before these hidden flaws turn critical. And subscribe, because we're about to enter the engine killer tier. Number 4. Extended oil change intervals. The sticker on your windshield says to come back in 10,000, even 15,000 miles. It's convenient, and it's what the manufacturer recommends. Here's the thing. That interval is based on ideal laboratory conditions, not your 5-mile commute in bumper-to-bumper traffic.
Short trips never allow the oil to reach its optimal operating temperature, around 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what's needed to boil off moisture. And unburnt fuel. Instead, that contamination oxidizes the oil, turning it into a thick, black sludge.
It looks like roofing tar poured directly into your engine, clogging the tiny passages that feed its most critical components.
According to the American Petroleum Institute, this exact sludge formation is a leading cause of premature engine failure. The cost? An engine flush might run you $250 if caught early. If it clogs a variable valve timing solenoid, that's an $800 repair. Ignore it completely, and you're staring at a $10,000 engine replacement due to total oil starvation.
We had a 2016 Honda CR-V towed in from Miami. The owner swore he followed the maintenance minder religiously. We pulled the valve cover, and it was packed solid with that black, greasy, tar-like sludge. The timing chain had starved of oil, jumped time, and the pistons had crashed into the valves, turning the inside of the engine into a metal scrapyard, all because of a convenient oil change schedule.
Number 3. Low-speed pre-ignition.
You're gently accelerating your small, turbocharged car, and you feel a slight shudder or hear a single, sharp pop. You dismiss it as a weird shift. Here's the thing. That was a violent, uncontrolled explosion inside your cylinder.
A rogue detonation powerful enough to destroy your engine from the inside out. LSPI is unique to modern small-displacement turbo engines. Groundbreaking research from institutions like the Southwest Research Institute shows it can create instantaneous pressure spikes 5 to 10 times higher
Then normal combustion, slamming the piston with the force of a sledgehammer. The damage looks like the edge of the piston has been chipped away, like a piece of concrete blasted with a jackhammer. A single LSPI event can crack a piston ring land.
A compression test and bore scope inspection to find it can cost $400. If a piston is damaged, you're looking at a minimum of $5,000 for a partial rebuild. But if those broken pieces score the cylinder wall,
it's a total loss, upwards of $12,000 for a new short block. I saw this on a 2019 Ford Escape in Denver with just 45,000 miles. The check engine light was on for a misfire. The spark plug looked fine, but the bore scope showed the terrifying truth. The edge of the number 3 piston was shattered. It was only a matter of time before it came apart completely. But buckle up, because as bad as a $12,000 repair is, the next 2 flaws are practically built in, affecting a massive percentage of cars on the road today.
If you want to see how these mechanical flaws are triggered by electronic ones, check out our series on automotive electronics. To see how a single bad sensor can cause total engine failure, link in the description. Number 2. Gasoline direct injection.
This technology is the holy grail for efficiency. It's why a modern SUV can get 30 miles per gallon. It's a brilliant idea with a disastrous, dirty secret. Here's the thing. In older port-injected engines, gasoline was sprayed
onto the back of the intake valves, constantly cleaning them with powerful detergents. GDI injects fuel directly into the cylinder, completely bypassing the valves. Now, nothing cleans them. Oil vapor from the crankcase ventilation system bakes onto the hot valve stems,
forming hard, crusty carbon deposits. Trust me, it looks like a black coral reef growing inside your engine,
choking off airflow and slowly strangling your engine's performance. Manufacturer TSBs detailing the expensive cleaning procedure are an implicit admission
of the problem. A walnut shell blasting service to clean the valves will cost you $600 to $900.
Ignore the resulting misfires, and you could destroy your catalytic converter, a $2,000 repair. In the worst cases, a chunk
of carbon breaks off, gets wedged in the valve seat, or scores a cylinder wall, leading to a complete engine replacement. For over $14,000, we see it constantly. A 2017 Audi Q5 with 50,000 miles came in running rough. The valves were so caked, The engine could barely breathe. A week later, a 2018 Kia Optima with 60,000 miles had the same issue. It doesn't matter if it's luxury or economy. GDI carbon buildup is inevitable. Number 1, the lifetime timing chain. Unlike an old rubber timing belt, the chain in your engine is made of steel, designed to last the lifetime of the vehicle. No replacement interval? No worries. Here's the thing. Lifetime doesn't mean your lifetime. It means the expected service life of the chain itself.
Not the plastic guides and hydraulic tensioners it relies on. Those support components are extremely vulnerable to contaminated oil. The same sludge from our extended oil changes. The sludge restricts oil flow to the hydraulic tensioner, causing it to lose pressure.
The chain goes slack and starts whipping back and forth, slapping against the plastic guides. Those guides, already brittle from thousands of heat cycles, look like yellowed old newspaper. Eventually, they crack and shatter. The NHTSA complaints database is overflowing with cases of timing chain tensioner failures,
Leading to class action lawsuits. A sharp rattling sound on a cold start is your only warning. Replacing the chain, guides, and tensioner.
as preventative maintenance is a $1,500 job. If a guide breaks and the chain jumps a tooth, you're looking at $4,000 in cylinder head repair. And if it breaks completely, the pistons collide with the valves at full speed, grenading your engine. You're not repairing anything. You are buying a new engine for $15,000 or more. We worked on a 2012 Audi A4. With 80,000 miles, the owner heard a rattle for a week and ignored it. By the time it got to us, the chain had skipped, bending all 16 valves. The repair cost more than the car was worth. It was a total loss, all because a part designed to last a lifetime failed. Now that you know how these so-called advancements create hidden mechanical failures, the next critical step is recognizing how they are all controlled by an equally complex electronic brain. When a sensor fails, it can command the engine to destroy itself. Watch our Automotive Electronics playlist to see how a single $80 sensor can trick a car's computer into causing a $10,000 catastrophe.